Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to make a trip list on TripAdvisor. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to make a trip list on TripAdvisor. Maybe because you're planning to go on a vacation in a city, so you want to save all the places that you want to visit in that city. Or maybe you're just adding different stop to your trip so that you could go and enjoy all these different places. Or there could be any other reason for you to make a trip list on TripAdvisor. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the TripAdvisor app in your mobile phone. If you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the TripAdvisor app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. We have some of the options at the top of the screen and some of the bottom as well. And in middle of the screen, there are different places that you could go and visit. So now if you want to make a trip list, like if you're going in a London and you want to save different places that exist in London so that you could save it, and whenever you visit the London you could go to all these places. So for that, what you have to do is that, as you can see on the bottom, we have 5 options. So from these 5 options, you just have to simply click onto the middle option which says plan. Into the plan, you could plan your trip, like you could make a list, and in that list you can add the places that you want to visit. Once you get there you will see this interface. At the top it says plan, and at the bottom there is an option which says create a trip. Once you tap onto that option, with the help of that you could add different places on your list. So before adding the places, you have to name that list. You could add anything like vacations, summer, maybe trip, school trip, or whatever thing you want to add here as a name, you can add it. So here I'm going to add summer 2023 because whenever I add anything, it will be a vacation for 2023 summer. Therefore I am adding it. Likewise, you can add anything of your choice, whatever comes to your mind or whatever you prefer. Once you do that, just simply click on create trip, and after that the list will be created. Now the list has been created, but we don't have any places to add into this list. Therefore we have to click on explore, and there we have to search for different places. You could search places by its name, like city name, or maybe if it's mountain, then search mountain, beach, and different things. Here I'm searching with the name of museum, so whenever I found something interesting, I will just simply click on it, or maybe I'll just click on a heart with it, and after that this place will be added into my list that we just created. Likewise, you can add as much places as you want in your trip list, and whenever you get the time you may visit them. So here, once we get back there, we can see that all these places just we selected has been added into our trip list. This was the easiest way I know through which you can create a trip list on TripAdvisor. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.